Now, the Madlala Commission is calling upon Udumisani Khumalo, and the question is, who is Udumisani Khumalo? Now, Dumisani Khumalo is the head of police crime intelligence in South Africa. In the month of June 2025, May 26, Udumisani Khumalo was arrested at OR Tambo International Airport in connection with an investigation that was done around corruption. And these are the corruption charges. Now, Udumisani Khumalo allegedly authorized unauthorized transactions, including the purchase of luxury properties worth 45 million. And then he is accused of irregular appointments within the department and authorizing purchases without necessary ministerial approval, including a luxury boutique hotel that is valued at 22.7 million in Protea North and a commercial building worth 22.8 million in Berea at Durban. Now, how did Udumisani Khumalo find himself in the Madlala Commission? Now, it is a public knowledge that General Mkhwanazi testified before the Madlala Commission, alleging corruption within the South African police services, implicating senior officers. Now, given Khumalo's position, who is the head of intelligence, and the ongoing corruption investigation against him, now there's a possibility that the testimony done by General Mkhwanazi might be related to the ongoing case yaka Dumisani Khumalo. But konke lokho sizokuthola namhlanje, as Udumisani Khumalo is the next person to take a stand with the Madlala Commission. This is the Conscious Pet. It's a 2-in-1 gentle shampoo plus conditioner. It is enriched with the aloe vera and avocado oil that is good for your dog's coat. It leaves your dog's coat soft, shiny, and tangle-free. It's also vegan friendly and it's very good to dogs with sensitive skin. So get yourself this pH balanced bottle just for 150.